Hello and welcome to this special edition of Today at the Office. It's a rain job, but I sent my buddy Carol out to make this one happen because I was busy with another job. Well, today at the office, we got my buddy Kaue here with me.
What's up?
Estamos aquí, estamos felices, estamos filmando un poco. Estamos en otro episodio con mi amigo aquí Carol, que con ese otro episodio, ele está fazendo chuva e eu estou fazendo fogo hoje. E peguei a Kaue para ver que podemos filmar aqui downtown de chuva.
Very nice.
Acho que passou a chuva que estou fazendo e não sei se vamos pegar a chuva, só porque Kaue e eu vamos estar num episódio aqui junto.
Yeah, today at the office. Woo!
Yeah! And today at the office, we're rating on a homeless guy. He's just an actor, so don't feel
Get some of
bad.
the car windows.
And it's Carol making
There
it
you go.
happen, yeah!
How you doing, guys?
It's raining. Isn't that beautiful rain?
I have to be red.
Brett, make it rain. He's making it rain for us like he did on the
Water
other
in
job.
motion.
We really appreciate it on Today at the Office. Yeah. And these are the motorcycles of the guys that keep us safe when we're working in South Central LA. Here we go. This is our image capturing device on this show. It's on a dolly track. We're setting up some lights before we go here. Here's my buddy Kaue filming for his show. Thank you for joining me on Today at the Office. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and hey, subscribe to
Vivendo na Gringa.
Vivendo na Gringa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Obrigado. We're down in Peru with my nephew here, Fabrizzio, and he wants to see how we do the rain. Estamos aquí en Perú, eso es para los peruanos. Estoy aquí con mi sobrino, Fabrizzio, y él va a ver cómo hacemos la lluvia. Vamos a poner un episodio también. Well, once again, thank you for joining us on Today at the Office, and special thanks to my nephew over here in Peru. Muchas gracias a todos de Perú para viendo mi show también, y los vemos en el próximo.